Yo, welcome to Sabimentors. My name is Usaze Kevin King, and I'm the founder of Sabimentors. I'm an experienced online business owner, and I've been doing business online profitably since 2010. Ever since that time, I've made multiple millions of naira and multiple thousands of dollars from doing various online business. I've also trained thousands of people all across the globe to start and grow their own online business. Over the years, I've acquired various digital skills that has transformed my life forever. These skills have taken me from a poverty-stricken young boy to where I am today, to being able to transform the lives of thousands of people all across the globe. I founded Sabimentors to empower people to acquire high-income digital skills from top and verified experts. What this means is that we have the best experts, we have the best courses on the platform. You can be confident enough with your time and money on any of our courses. You won't regret it. Okay? Now, we didn't just stop there. We also offer you the opportunity to partner with us and make good money for yourself. You can partner with us as an affiliate and promote our courses and make good money for yourself. Okay? So we didn't just stop there. You can also make money from the effort of other people. Say for instance, you bring somebody to the platform, and those persons or those people you bring to the platform go ahead to bring other people to the platform, and they buy any courses on the platform. You will get rewarded from their effort. That is to say, you can make money from the effort of other people. This is interesting and it's mind-blowing. This alone is a game changer. We are the only platform that offers you this opportunity in the entire e-learning industry. So, whatever you want to do, if you want to learn high-income digital skills, if you want to be an instructor, if you want to be an affiliate, Sabimentors cares about you and we will reward you handsomely for your effort. So sign up and start your journey with us today. I can't wait to see you on the other side of greatness. One love. Peace out.